Are you tired of seeing clumps of hair in your brush every morning? You're not alone. Hair loss is a common concern that affects millions. But the good news is, there are things you can do about it. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of hair health, exploring the top 7 vitamins and essential nutrients that can help you combat hair fall and promote luscious locks. Now let's get to the root of the problem and discover how to get your hair back on track. A healthy diet is the foundation of a healthy body, and that includes your hair. Just like any other organ, your hair follicles need a steady supply of essential nutrients to function properly and produce strong, vibrant hair. Without the right raw materials, those factories can't operate at peak efficiency, leading to weaker, thinner, and more prone to breakage hair. So, what does a balanced diet for hair health look like? It all starts with a variety of nutrient-rich foods. We're talking about loading up on fruits and vegetables packed with antioxidants to protect your hair follicles from damage. Incorporate lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils, which provide the building blocks for hair growth. By making small, sustainable changes to your diet, you can give your hair the best chance to thrive. Let's talk about vitamin A, a true multitasker when it comes to hair health. This vitamin plays a crucial role in cell growth, including the cells in your hair follicles. It helps your scalp produce sebum, a natural oil that keeps your hair moisturized and prevents breakage. So, how can you up your vitamin A intake? Sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, kale, and eggs are all excellent sources of this hair-loving vitamin. Adding just a few servings of these foods to your weekly diet can make a noticeable difference in the health and vitality of your hair. You've probably heard of biotin, often touted as the hair growth vitamin, and for good reason. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, plays a vital role in the production of keratin, a protein that makes up your hair, skin, and nails. When your body doesn't have enough biotin, it can lead to hair loss, brittle nails, and even skin rashes. Fortunately, incorporating biotin-rich foods into your diet is easy and delicious. Eggs, almonds, sweet potatoes, salmon, and avocados are all excellent sources of this hair-strengthening vitamin. Time to shine a spotlight on vitamin C, another powerhouse nutrient for overall health, including hair health. One of vitamin C's most important roles is in the production of collagen, a protein that gives your hair its structure and strength. But that's not all. Vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant, protecting your hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals. Luckily, getting your daily dose of vitamin C is easy and delicious. Citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and spinach are all excellent sources of this hair-loving vitamin. Let's talk about vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies produce it in response to sunlight. Vitamin D plays a vital role in hair growth by supporting the creation of new hair follicles. Vitamin D helps ensure a healthy balance in this cycle, promoting the growth of new, strong hair. Studies have linked vitamin D deficiency to hair loss, particularly a condition called alopecia areata, an autoimmune disorder that causes patchy hair loss. Spending some time outdoors and enjoying the sunshine is a great way to boost your vitamin D levels naturally. You can also find this essential vitamin in fatty fish like salmon and tuna, egg yolks, and fortified foods like milk and cereal. Iron is often associated with energy production, but did you know it's also crucial for healthy hair growth? Iron helps red blood cells carry oxygen throughout the body, including to your hair follicles. This oxygen delivery is essential for hair follicle function and growth. When your body is low on iron, it can lead to iron deficiency anemia, a condition that can cause hair loss. Thankfully, incorporating iron-rich foods into your diet is easier than you might think. Red meat, spinach, lentils, beans, and fortified cereals are all great sources of iron. Last but not least, let's talk about zinc, a mineral that plays a vital role in hair repair and growth. Zinc is involved in the production of DNA and RNA, the genetic material that controls cell growth and repair, including the cells in your hair follicles. Zinc also plays a role in maintaining the oil glands around your hair follicles, keeping your scalp healthy and promoting optimal hair growth. Fortunately, many delicious foods are rich in zinc. Oysters are known for their high zinc content, but you can also find this hair-healthy mineral in beef, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, and cashews. So, there you have it, the top 7 vitamins and minerals that can make a world of difference in the health and vitality of your hair. Now it's your turn. Which of these hair-healthy tips are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. For more health and wellness tips, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and here's to happy, healthy hair.